Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And today I wanted to do another Amazon seller review. Now, you guys may like or dislike these types of videos, but I feel it's my duty to let you guys know when I deal with either a company, a website, or a specific seller, no matter what I buy, letting you guys know what kind of experience I've had. You guys know I collect all kinds of things: leather jackets, watches, of course, cars, although I only have 3. I like to share all my experiences with you guys. And right now the channel is up to 12,000, almost 500 subscribers. So again, with all the money that you guys work hard for and all the cool things that everybody buys, you guys let me know about when you see my video, especially this INVICTA yellow tag sale we just had. The deals were amazing, and I thank you guys for using my links. It was a great weekend. I had a lot of fun referring a lot of sales to INVICTA, and I ended up referring myself because I picked up a Mosaic Grand Octane. The prices were unreal, and there's still some good deals, so check out my Facebook page. I've been finding the deals that I think are really special, and post those to all the different Facebook groups where all you guys are hanging out on, and posting your wrist shots with INVICTA Aragons. So definitely check those out. So I want to get back to what the video is about, and this is a honest, well, they're always honest, but this is a seller review from a guy on Amazon, and it's a pretty large seller on Amazon. And the seller is called Skyline Ocean. It's Skyline Ocean, 3 separate words. And you guys know I've been on kind of a leather jacket kick lately, and I bought 3 in the last month, 2 months, and I got 1 for Christmas. So I got 4 new leather jackets, and the quality of the leathers I've gotten, the 4 different jackets, has been exceptional. So I ended up I wanted to get another black leather jacket in my collection, more of a biker jacket, and I got one of the Brando style coats I've been kind of into lately, which is that kind of cross zip. And I'll be doing a review on that one if I haven't already, but I ordered it from Skyline Ocean, and the picture showed a heavy cowhide jacket. Had pretty good reviews on the jacket. The price was right, $80 plus I believe shipping or tax came to $86 and some change. And so I went with this seller because again, the reviews were good, and it seemed like the jacket was of quality. It was thick cowhide. It told the measurement of the cowhide. I think it was 1.3 to 1.6 millimeters thick, something like that. It had a zip out liner on the inside. It had on the side this kind of leather drawstrings. And of course, it had button-down lapels. This is all listed in the listing. And when I got the jacket, it actually was shipped from India. Now, this was supposed to be an Amazon seller. When you go to the listing, and I'm going to put a link to the seller's store just so you guys know who not to deal with. He says he still has 14 left in stock, and I encourage any of you guys who are looking for leather and you've seen my videos and you want to pick up a leather jacket, or if you just stumbled on this channel because of the keyword leather jackets, do not buy from this seller at all. It's been the worst experience, with the exception of INVICTA. What was the one I did about the broken INVICTA, the Venom, probably about 4 years ago. So really bad experience. Again, sorry, $89. It says plus free shipping, guaranteed to get it by a certain date. And it said here that it was sold and ships directly from Amazon.com, which led me to believe, and you could also sign up for Prime, which you get for free delivery. And what led me to believe this is going to be a reputable seller. What was really weird, when I ordered the jacket, I got a tracking number from DHL from India. And nowhere on here does it say this jacket is coming from India. So that kind of bothered me right off the bat. Anyway, I was like, okay, no big deal. I'm sure it's going to be fine. I've had stuff come from overseas before, no big deal. But I wanted it a lot quicker. And I don't see how you would ever get this twice as fast from Amazon Prime. So I'm not sure if this particular seller... Okay, that's the seller's name, Skyline. What was it? Skyline, what did I just say? Skyline Ocean. It says that it's, again, when you go to the listing, it says buy event biker leather. So I'm not sure if that's a store and they're getting fulfilled. It's a little bit confusing, but either way, I would stay clear of both these particular stores because here's my experience. When I got the jacket, it took quite a bit of time to get from over in India. Got it home, or got it in the mail, opened it up, and it was just in a bag basically, which was like, I didn't really like the packaging all that much, but as long as the jacket got here safe, I was okay with that. When I opened it up, it was a completely different leather jacket. It was made of like a very, very thin lambskin. Definitely wasn't a thick jacket. And when I first put it on, I was like, it's not bad, because I figured, this could be like a spring jacket. Very, very thin, but that wasn't what I ordered. It didn't have the zip out lining on the inside. The jacket had a completely different name. It didn't say Event Leather like in the picture. I believe that's the name of maybe the leather that this Skyline Ocean's selling. Completely different brand name. Non-button down lapels, did not have the side lacing, did not have the zip out leather jacket or liner, and then worst of all, it had a tear on the shoulder. So I was extremely disappointed. You guys know, anytime you order something online, it sucks having to wait, and then what a disappointment when you get it, and not only is it damaged, but the wrong jacket. So I said, you know what, I can kind of live with the little tear on the shoulder. Let me email them and just say, hey, if you guys can heavily discount this due to the damage, due to sending a completely different jacket that's nowhere near the quality of the one I ordered, give it to me for half off. I'll keep it. This way you avoid, any kind of, returns. You're not gonna be able to sell it. It's damaged. So the seller was really rude, no apology whatsoever, offered me $10 off. So I said, no, I'll return it. Well, they sent me a label, and good thing I didn't try to mail it, because the label wasn't even prepaid. It was a label using DHL, which I have nowhere around where I live where I can drop that off easily at DHL. And of course, I don't know where you would go to do that. But then DHL, I don't know what kind of pricing it is, and really, for the most part, I've had plenty of experience shipping things, and USPS is always the cheapest unless it's something heavy. I found FedEx to be the best, FedEx Ground. UPS I don't use because they seem to be the most expensive, just my experience with them. But nonetheless, I figured, okay, if I get a prepaid label, send it back, get my refund, I'll buy it from another seller. But it was, like I said, really upsetting, the fact, no apology, half-ass discount, basically took the stance that we don't really give a shit about your business. And so I argued back and forth with them. Took like 3 days between emails for them to even reply, just really dragging their feet. I'm not sure if they were trying to stretch it out. I'm not sure if there was a time frame for you to return this stuff, but nonetheless, I did contact Amazon, and they weren't helpful either. Everybody says, oh, Amazon, easy returns. Not at all. They went back and forth with me. I eventually had to provide tracking. I went and paid for a prepaid label, which cost me $15. Amazon had said, yeah, we will refund you the shipping. So I mailed it off. The package got delivered, and it took, this whole thing has taken over a month, and I just got my refund, I think. They said it was electronically transferred. I have to double check that, but sounds like it's been approved. And we went back and forth. They're like, well, we need to review the case. And, and I sent pictures, everything else. And they said, we need to review the case, we'll make a decision. I said, what decision is there possibly to be made? They sent the wrong jacket, it was damaged, the seller hasn't done anything to fix the problem, and I'm out $15. So, long story short, sent it back. Finally, the other day, they approved my refund, and then this seller has the balls and the gall to email me and say, you got your money back, change the negative feedback, which I left a negative review on the whole process on Amazon, on the seller. Just the balls to be that rude and not do anything for the customer, knowing that you tried to screw the customer over and then try to get me to change my feedback. So I just wanted to go ahead and put this video out there. If you're thinking about buying a leather jacket and you stumble across, if you see my videos, and sometimes you may see a video, I know when I look at videos and I may decide, hey, I'm going to shop for that eventually, and I may just stumble upon that particular listing, like you might stumble upon one of my watch videos or leather videos or whatever it is, and then you might go to Amazon and then you start to click away and you might find something you like more than what you originally came there for. As long as you guys use my links, that's all I care about, and I do appreciate that. I really do wholeheartedly. But I want you guys to know that if you watch my video and you see that leather jacket and you start going through there and you say, hey, maybe I want to get a lambskin jacket, maybe you don't want the cowhide, and that's okay. But do not buy from a company called Skyline Ocean. Just remember, Skyline Ocean. Buy Event Leather jacket. So I will, whatever links I put, I can rest assured that the ones I do review, you're going to get good service from and get a good product from. So if you do start to click away and say, oh, I like that jacket, or this company looks like they have something I may like, do not buy from them. You will not be happy. Just a very disappointing experience, and I will never buy from them again. And honestly, it kind of questions you know, I've never had issues like this on eBay. So if I can, I always like to stick to eBay. Some of you, you know, say, oh, I don't really feel good with I don't feel comfortable with eBay. Trust me, just because Amazon, you're not completely protected. You're not guaranteed to have a headache from having to deal with some of these sellers. So anyway, just wanted to put that out there. I always want to be honest with you guys and share my experience with sellers. Again, stay clear of Skyline Ocean, and you guys have a wonderful day. Remember to subscribe to the channel, and take care.